Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for my dear maths lovers, the students at school level. If you are doing this chapter on squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots, this video is for you. Do you know if it is a 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, 7-digit number, you can find the cube root of that number just by observing the number? And I'm not joking. When you watch the complete video, even you will do it and you can surprise your friends. Okay, so what is the title of the video? This is cube root of perfect cube numbers, and we are going to do the observation method. But yes, you should know the cube of numbers at least up to 10. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729 and 10 cube obviously is 1000, right? So if you know this, you know the cube roots up to maybe big 6-digit numbers and 7-digit numbers as well. So let's understand the concept behind this trick, and this is a part of our ebook of short tricks. This is chapter number 4, which is simplifying the squares, the cubes, the square roots and the cube roots. So we have posted so many different videos, and if you want a compilation of all these tricks at one place, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. The description of this video also contains the details given here. So let's understand the concept behind the trick first. So to understand the concept, if you have a 3-digit number like 729, we know that the cube root of this 729 is 9, which is a single digit number. Do you know why it is a single digit number? Because cube root involves making triples of numbers. That means making groups of 3 digits at a time. So you can make only one group of 3 in 729, and therefore 1-digit number is the answer. What will happen if instead of 3 digits you have 4 digits, 1, 7, 2, 8, and you are finding the cube root? You already know that if you make a group of 3 digits from the right hand side, 1 digit will be left out, and so you have to put 2 lines, right? One under this triple and one for only a single digit 1. And therefore your answer will be a 2-digit number. And fortunately, cube root of 1728 I remember is 12. It's a 2-digit number. So 2 lines, 2-digit number. Likewise, A, B, C, D, E, 5-digit number, and you are finding the cube root. I must tell you that this forms a triple and this is a doublet. So you have 2 lines, so your answer will be a 2-digit number. How about a 7-digit number? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you are finding the cube root. 3 from the right hand side, 3 from the right hand side, and 1 single. So I have to put 3 lines. So my answer will be a 3-digit number. So this is the basic concept used in the trick, and obviously one very important concept of knowing the cubes up to 10. That is also required. So let's see some questions and we will quickly get through the video. Let's see this. 729, the first one. See, the number 729 itself forms a triple, right? And therefore, it is much more easier to factorize this, because for all the numbers which are below 1000, factorization method works the best. The observation method, you already know that it is 9 cube, right? So the answer is going to be 9. So what you can do best for this number is to write it as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? And make triples and you will get your answer. 3 into 3, 9. But we already know that 729 is 9 cube, right? So that is the basic thing. Now let's apply it here. 2744. The unit digit here was 9, and therefore your answer was also 9, because there is only one single digit number whose cube ends in 9. 9 cube ends in 9. So the answer had to be 9 only. Okay, that is another way of thinking about this. Now 2744. Look at this. let's make triple from the right hand side, 744 and then this number 2. So my answer is going to be a double digit number. Now for the last triple, 744, look at the last digit, it is 4. And which single digit's cube gives me a number ending in 4? It is 4 itself, because 4 cube is 64. So if the unit digit is 4, then your answer for this question is also going to end in 4 only, because 4 cube is 64, which ends in 4. Fine. Now that is the use of this 744. Now coming to this remaining number 2. Now 2 is greater than which cube? If I ask you what to fill in the bracket, you will immediately say 1, because 1 cube is 1 only, which is less than 2, right? And therefore this 1 forms the remaining part of my answer, and your answer for the question is 14. Very easy, right? Is it like applicable to all questions? Let us do some higher problems. Here you can see 4, 9, 1, 3. So a triple here and a single digit here. Last triple ends in 3. So I need a single digit number whose cube ends in 3. Now you should know that 7 cube is 343, which ends in 3. And there is no other single digit number whose cube ends in 3. And so the answer for this question is going to end with 7. Because 7 cube is 343, which ends in 3. Now let's see this number 4. 4 is very close to 1 cube. You can't do 2 cube, because 2 cube is 8, which is more than 4. I don't want to cross 4. I want to stay below 4. So 1 cube, that means this 1 forms the remaining part of my answer. And so cube root of 4913 will be 17. Feeling more comfortable now? Let's practice this. 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. This is triple and this is double. So my answer is a 2-digit number. The last triple ends in 4. Only 4 cube ends in 4. Therefore this 4 becomes the unit digit of my answer. And how about the remaining part, 13? 13 has 2 cube, 8, which is very close to 13. And 3 cube crosses 13. So I don't want to cross 13. So 2 is the remaining part, and that gives me the cube root of 13824 as 24. And similarly, you can actually do 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers also, and you will see the beauty. See, this is also a 5-digit number, 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. So triple and double. So your answer is a doublet, I mean 2-digit number. This ends in 8. So which cube ends in 8? You will know that 2 cube ends in 8, and therefore 2 is the unit digit of the answer. How about the remaining part, 32? 32 is greater than which cube? It is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, which is less than 32 and closest to 32. So this 3 forms the remaining part, and 32 is the answer for the cube root problem here. How about this 6-digit number? 1, 7, 5, 6, 1, 6. 3-digit, 3-digit. So the last, it ends in 6. So which cube ends in 6? You should know that there is only one number whose cube ends in 6, and that is 6 itself. 6 cube is 216, ends in 6. So the answer is going to end with 6. And then 175, the remaining number. You should find a number whose cube is very close to 175 but below 175, okay? So how about 5 cube? 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216, which is above 175. I don't want to go above that number. So 5, this is the remaining part of the answer, and cube root of 175616 is going to be 56. See, the observation method and knowledge of basic single digit cubes, that is what is required as the concept of this particular trick, and you will crack cube roots of 7-digit numbers also orally. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your WhatsApp groups so that you can spread this knowledge further. and surprise your friends by asking them to give you a perfect cube, and you will tell the cube root of that particular number orally. If you like it, do hype the video by giving it some points, and do subscribe our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is important so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on the mobile itself. So friends, practice 30, 40, 50 questions, and you need to let me know in the comments, is it really working for you? All the best for the practice.